The Nike Incorporated team, the estate of the late Kobe Bryant, continues to pay tribute to his legacy by relaunching existing products, creating new ones, and using various marketing strategies to spread the NBA legend's Mamba mentality. The Nike Kobe 5 Lower Merion Aces away is anticipated to undergo the Protro treatment in the spring of 2026. According to the recently leaked story, the Kobe 5, honoring Bryant's higher education institution in Lower Merion, a high school in the Ardmore area of Philadelphia, will return with all the extras that made it so popular in 2010. Officially sporting a metallic silver, white and team red color scheme, the Protro is anticipated to come with several performance-enhancing features to satisfy the demands of the contemporary game. By the end of April 2026, the Kobe 5 Protro should be available on Nike.com. SRP is $190.